Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cornflakes cookies. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. For the first step, mix icing sugar with unsalted butter together until they combine. As you can see, after they got combined, put flour, self-raising, also cornstarch, and mix it again together. Halfway when mixing the flour, put eggs and give a little bit of vanilla extract for some flavoring. After that, give chopped cashew nut and also don't forget the cornflakes. Put it on a tray and bake for about 40 minutes with 200 degrees Celsius.